Hello, and this video will be about my backyard, my dog. He is a Dachshund Terrier. His name is Troy, and he's very nice. Sometimes he can be a scaredy cat. Ain't that right? Yeah. And this is his backyard. Very nice, I guess. And there's like a back part back there where you can go back there and do whatever such. So yeah. Am I beautiful? Troy through his hairs. Let's see. You can see my neighborhood, sort of. You can kind of see my neighborhood. It's a car. Hello, person. I don't know. Neighborhood. Kind of see it. Oh, it's on hold. Down there. Kind of mine. You can see it. I don't know if I can zoom in this or not. Yeah, there's back. No one really lives over there. They're never home. Tom lives over there. Like that, like over there. You know, the camera's pointing at right now. That's Tom's house. He's a farmer and such. And he has some dogs. Okay, so say goodbye. You're very old. He is 11. Which that makes you, let's see, 77. And then we have a cat that doesn't live with us, but it lives at Grandma and Grandma's because they don't get along. And he's 14, which is shy. And I don't know what kind of cat he is, but some kind of grayish kind of cat. But anyways, 14, I don't know what times you have to do that for cat years. But anyways, say goodbye, Troy. Troy, up here. Say bye. No, he said bye. He said bye, I guess. So yeah. Backyard, dog, something, I don't know. See you in the next video, which is probably not going to be as good. Well, this is not a good video, but anyways, see ya.